dwa obinfu bi akasa se wo hye wonma wagina se ento omso abase amampanifo na bebre na nkanse mfata sabato komisa no ebeji wonum so atomu nana entweje otoso miensa wohina ogina mu ma de hye okwasuo enso de futso de amana nanom akuafo bi ebika ho anopai meko ne kontonkro ohine ni ama kranchara zo asof mami premeni kasebo no nchechemu ankasa eni yema wo mo be konto aso suku watro nsori aye hwe kwanse susu no ebeba bonten nam so West Africa Examination Council for se suku fo mako aduasa miensa ankrankra suku miensa candidate wo ha aduanan kono wo mo nsori susu aso no de nyamai de odi animu head of public affairs edema wa ekinu ru John Kapi eno ri asem ituja wo se anya boapaye supervisors ya okore nkoda ni suo bi ni nkoda no ankasa nhye ya wanfanya adwuma ne nam so de we yaba ti abatan ne koma ntoem no mo wo ehyehyemu no mo wi a wo de beba Why? I didn't know. I'm for you, we have a bree. Azuka nsanu adwumani binu no yeto akase bono eso media coalition against galamsey enso ene akasai na de odi animu se convener ene owura Kenneth Ashigbe ene wo cheche mu sese de nkansantrofo afi ha yani me ekwo hunti twetwe ni nyina ye jagu ho eti wosre woni santrofo na twetwe nkomo se legislative instrument LI 2462 yanke de komra chebedwe fie na mra chebedwe fo no eti mi age atum na mra na ya pampe no mra chebedwe fo nsu ne gina wa wo mo bonsrei wose anu na nam soma 20th October enka eni adwuma ifo nyina ti aprankam ti no mo rekwan senka 15th idie bibi besi ewo mrachebedwe fie mu so entimi amasa ema papa Sam Jona mu nyina de oma no atomu bi sense ntwerofo ase yeja edwumedi ato owura kana shigbe sense ntwerofo nsore na yentu garamse no ase Tuesday na
Parliament generally. I said it the other time that we have done very little in legislation. You can just take the number of laws and smaller legislations we have done. We've wasted so much time on inconsequential things, inconsequential matters. Our main job is making laws. I'd go and take the number of laws we have made in the last 4 years and compare with the other parliaments. And you see that the 8th parliament has been the least. It's been full of controversy. Matters that previously we used to sit there and discuss and overexamine do, now we take them into fisticuffs. That is most disappointing to me. The whole essence of democracy is to encourage people to exchange ideas. So if Parliament, which is the entire reflection of the country. We cannot sit down on any matter to discuss and agree or agree to disagree. Where is our democracy?
First Deputy Speaker of Parliament, Ora Joseph Oseusujo Wise, and I know Kasasa Wishano Kwasemye, Rashabeja Toso China, Bamu Bupa Papa. I said, you woman, Wamu ye Eufio, was say, Quamdum Jume Diang and Aniswamo Quaco Shemra, Nanswane, acquire near maybe a unshedding here, a jumbo yasheta crow gem, yet the bread, the beba, the 7th January, BBC, was in Yama Echo Swam Rashabeja, no Kwasemni, Nadia Eso any cry, ye caught near Bobramu ewo ensem fufro enso emu. New Patriotic Party, any PP Amanyoko, the Okasa Edema Wonum Ayu Richard Anyagba, or friends at Jovon Shamodia Tom and him say, Emrachabe Jaya Sabre Yakoya Bibiawa, Yen Misa Yakwa Sia na Yako Alabay, Suboning na and this Fonsa and woman India to one mother dada, Sabena Binichi Sabi or Peswa Yen Puntobia, Ebeko Swan to me Maso, and when a can be a woman boss up way to why ne woma sanim eti Ghana fo nyina ntiase said yakoso mrasebedefie no NDC fo epo a wonma bo a womo ne mrasebedefie chia me papa abamba ben ene woma bo sa apo no a enei wode eye adwuma
kosi se o mesi pobi on krata we mo sha ase edi hu dwuma efi 2021 aya kwan bia so aban adwuma beko parliament bia no o me make sure say o me say no na said the idea anything no parliament o magasa kan krata animu parliament said dia hihye anything democracy mu no aban no any numbers a ye betumi aye dia say ye boa Ghana for abra NDC for enkam this parliament we no ehia say MPP ni NDC for better say dey puta na NDC for no instead say on be pass adwene o maye nyina tena se adwene Ghana da chi Ghana sika sem ho amaye nya nsusue papa be boa Ghana no NDC for say MPP for the bar on be say no o ma bobi biara egu efi ebra ye start since 2021 ni nyina ne say on be make sure say aban no sika sem enkoso na say sika sem ankoso a na say Ghana economy no more den a NDC for and ebenya ho mfaso
Ora Richard Anyagba kita odieba for trade man this amanyuko MPP amanyuko na no disembi eni Executive Director Edema Center for Democratic Development CDD Professor Henry Kwasikwa Prempe na yakasai se wo hwe abato commission na no won ma yaji won ma tum no a bebre no semfata sanke beji won so atum na wo kasa e wo dwumadie bi ase efa papa kotampa wenye ne ba bi ko enso ase enode asem nso edi etudwa se won ma anei yato aba na wo ba gina mu se wo ba be pre amampani for di bre no dudu won wankasa ye no so wankasa ma ni pipia o kasa de NDC eti no nim die ntia esesa abato commission jesafo no etum na asem what it to Jano say and an wakano.
Over the course of the decades and through a succession of over the course of the 3 decades since January 1993 and through a succession of regularly scheduled general elections, Ghana's democracy has evolved to become a highly competitive 2-party system with the National Democratic Congress NDC and New Patriotic Party NPP taking turns in government in intervals of 8 years, 2001, 2009, 2017, and we await the next elections in a month or so. Election results where they have been disputed have been settled by the parties concerned through constitutionally prescribed judicial processes. Furthermore, a 2-term limit on presidential tenure and provisions for civilian control of the military, both important safeguards enshrined in the 1992 Constitution, enjoy broad public and cross-party support. Afrobarometer surveys show Ghanaians as consistently supportive of presidential term limits and opposed to all non-democratic forms of government, including military rule and one-party rule. by very high supermajorities. In short then, the country's strong brand image appears well earned. The product, however, is an altogether different story. In terms of the rules of entry and exit, or how orderly the country chooses and changes its leaders and government, Ghana indeed scores high marks. However, once a government is in office, the rules of play, or how well the country is governed, and how public power and resources are used to address public problems, if at all, have remained chronically underwhelming and disappointing.
Professor Henry Akwasi Prempe anu asembie enie nana encheje otoso me na eyo miensan yo hene ewo kwasio ya no so aman mensini mu Western North region odi afutu odi amana nanu akuafo se mo mo hwe mprempren sika kakra obenya emfa wo nsase ema won ma yetu fom agudie na wo muntu ensensase ne kuranya sa dabi o hie ma se proye kwadwo de anopa tututu boboto wo no enu bi ne beto ede ape won odi asami tujwa wo bra nji obi ekopie mu wa na wo ye bedwam ncheche enu de asami etujwa
you know the buy no mane mema ewa ama ya mu se be matini ebu oba ama ya duma jeni bibia akoso tene ko na se yeso be hwese be sum ya tutuntutuye ama ekuo no mmodin a wode baaye no enkoye kwa nti bi hwehwe de bia ekuo ndi aboaye e kwan mebiri amanse kraye abakunu amia musi amama so mo atome na kusam kitinkiti bi ho a na nka se ye beto mu kuo bi a sansem ndi mo so ehwe esiesie ni eyi nti ko we de eyiku a aboaye kwasuman aboaye menem maamfo emma ne mema nyina isi amanka bomu aba kwasu ama kwasu atumpon nti ko ne de me de omo ase omo ayamaye no isi nyame yesu district ikura yentu galamse waso kwasu memempe so ase yentu galamse kombeto se me papa me koko nti no mbeti nti nam koko nti a ya beti yenti no the whole dadie so waso nko na yentu galamse mempremi yentu galamse
nana nyame nhyira papa nana ntwagye de ne nana no ye na woto aso na adwumako bi enhya abanse NGO from the Friends of the Nation omudwumadi ase eno eche madam Gilberta Kobire ya wono so project officer ono so de bi eka ho
amana dumre bi ne betu galansi nti da bi am tuatu afon so galamse enye staprako ndi wi a eno ano no
senti a yede sa adwumadie aba so amampata mu ha eneda yinese ye NGOs leka NGOs a ye adwumaku a ye nhya ban ase na ye ne emma ene enkwada ewo so amampata mu ha edi nkitahu bi a project no ya to din se Women Economic Advancement for Collective Transformation nitia wa mu nyina ne se react na project yi botaye nyina ne se ye hwe emma ene enkwada enkan ko enti se ye se ye hwe emma ene enkwada enkan ko dia na ene akoye International Rural Women's Day no ye se ye pese ye ye bi na ye de celebrate ye ma na ye ne omo edi dwumadi na dwumadi ya ye hia mu ha na ye di ye botaye anase ye team a ye de dwumadi ne so ne se equitable access to resources for women in cocoa farming. Ni nyina ne se ye hwe se emma akwanya omunya ewo nyoma omudidi omukoko dwumadie no obia benya ho akwanya
we madam Gilberta Kobire ya we project officer edema Friends of the Nation dwumako a enhye abayase kasa ne tete ya wode emma wɔnom ɛyɛ kokwakuafo yɛwie kasebɔ no nyinaa ɛwɔ Agona West ɛmɛnsini mu yɛ maame Cynthia Morrison mamle yɛ asabre yi ɛne PP ticket mu no gyina de kɔ prem rahyɛbɛdwa akonnwa na wɔgyina mu sɛ rahyɛbɛdwani no so on TV da so makɔ primaries ni agina akonnwa firi ni sɛm to wɔkɔ kɔntɔnkoro wɔso obi kasa wasan ya yɛboa wɔgyina mu pampe te sabira ba wɔnsan na wɔkyena ka ho wɔbɛgyina mu sɛ kɔntɔnkoro ni atene so aba na asami papa bamba ben na no yɛ nyina yɛ nim wɔ mayim sɛ rahyɛbɛdwafo ɛnan bi wapam wɔm so wɔn se so wɔn konnwa no wɔn kɔ sanse wɔn ni amanyɔkɔ bi adi mu wɔn gyina mu sɛ kɔntɔnkoro rahyɛbɛdwa fie hɔ na no na ne nam framem sɛ ba asa no Cynthia Morrison mamle wasesa na adwen enso se yɛboa
bibi obia yiye obia nkada masam or discussion ko fufrem wo ho ko fu ni kasa wo ho na party yentina ho aja yeyen ofane politics say we believe 1 second or is no papa na mo yemi so ka chempo the party ni ma kasa dem step down na ogudu wo kan wasama kan ha o na wo ka dem ma wa bem sika 15 million cedis na sika ne wo dama o si na wo nyina wo de chiche onye no kwar me pede wo the party ni boko oba drag party into the mud because of me party obi am be sika it is a media you be no da kwato wo se party abofo bi no da kwato am jinze dem pegifon obetu e ko gina baby a wakada wa am sika dem step down to pada me step down one sika no mama step down dabi it obi am me sika onye no kwar you be dem come campaign make say ya my ready am ko campaign ni pecho honi ndo but na mini ma dem come campaign na nyimda pressure me dey ko da hospital me kasa ni sesia enda me be fia na sama we si fia no nya sem papa petien was na ko to hospital so na akoma nti me step down yerko na me na adwenti yerko ye ko jinkonim nya de ye kase vote yerko akaye adwuma na ye jinkonim e pede Ghana nyina na ye asin ni nde ye me bi ho a o politics aside the Jama party
Mami Cynthia Mamle Morrison Agona West and yet in a Kanakasian West CP Ghana said Ubedi atosodoma asodo so dear we and now be turn out the aguswo na mene to me asodo so e dia ma na nanom nsomwe o se be bia ye ton agrochemical ho ne me bia da OCP wo mu die e na no nam sa open ba ko na ne dodo mu atuo no to be 0345909437 Sompa achede Bible said you hu mobroni mobodi afame rade we yakwanya kase a wonso betia ebie na rade nso ehira wo say ya mo anwa entuma ade bia den say ye betumi dia mama mi krafo sika ne kra wa mobile line no 0598559802 and 0241272990 Tawan Media and as a Blessed Foster and a ebeba so asante ebo Benedict ni semu for penny ya osone kasebo so kroje ma me begu ho asewa no pay edema efoni etefo akose somo Elizabeth ona wono eni bejira mu chinchin fidie na fuma so edema me no pay o person makani me ohini ni ama kranchada zo of mami premier ni mado ase ama omunity yesore ama omayini ya wodu wache omayini nyina yene no watrase ede ade ache bia dwumadi no abremo
21st clinic